what are the countries I can ship from. So let's say you have products in other countries that you want them brought into Kenya. For example, they've listed about 34 or 35 or 33 countries that you can ship from. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nkirote and this is Nkirote rebranded, also known as ONR. I have been meaning to do this video from March. Yes guys, yes, because I hinted it in my how to make online payments with a People virtual card.
Yeah, my People card is loading and I have to hide my details because guys, this is actually like a bank card type of vibe, so I don't want to put myself vulnerable. So I copied the details and went back to my Amazon site and I put the name on the account, which is People. I've already added the payment method. Then it was asking for a billing address, so basically where do you want your goods to be delivered. So I've been using this app known as Shop and Ship and they have a lot of addresses. I'll do a video on it. I just came here, copied my American address, went back to Amazon, pasted my address details as to where I wanted my goods to be shipped, and then I clicked use this address and I was pretty much done.
And Shop and Ship is a way for you to bring in goods into Kenya. So when you go to their platform, they have addresses from different parts of the world, the US, UK, literally everywhere you could imagine, and I'll show you guys. And what it does is, if you want to buy goods, let's say in the US, they give you a personalized address from the US and then your stuff come into Kenya. Let's say you want to buy stuff from Korea, same thing. If you want to buy stuff from India, same thing. So you'd have to check which locations they have addresses from, but ideally if they are stuff you'd like to buy from other parts of the world, Shop and Ship allows you to bring them in easily. So I really did test it out. I really did import, and so far so good, and hence why I'm here to share with you guys this video. How did I know about this platform? I knew about it from two people personally. One is my cousin. Shout out to my cousin Rethi. He kept saying, Olive, I use Shop and Ship, they're so easy. You know, I already have a way I ship in. He's like, no, give them a shot. So shout out to my cousin. And then the second time is I was watching Jules. There's a lady called Jules. She's part of the Over 25 crew, but she actually also has her own channel called My Tiny Little Channel, and I believe I was watching something or somewhere and she said she ships in things with Shop and Ship, and I was like, I think I've had that from somewhere. I think I've really had that from somewhere. So I eventually just decided to download the app and just give it a shot, and that's what I'm gonna be showing you guys on this video. So expect to learn how to get started on Shop and Ship. I will show you what I shipped in, how I shipped it in, how much I paid, and yeah, basically everything you need to know to get started. So if this is your vibe, if you're excited to learn ways you can actually ship in easy, then keep on watching. And yeah, so first things first guys, you need to go to your Play Store or Google App Store and search for Shop and Ship. It's powered by Aramex. So download the app. Once you download the app, I'm going to now move into the screen and I'll show you guys how I set it up. The thing is guys, once you've downloaded the app, you actually have to pay a fee. Yes, so Shop and Ship is not like 100% free. There is a $10 fee that you're going to pay if you're in Kenya, and this is basically like your lifetime membership. So different countries have different rates, so feel free to go on their website and check what you would be paying. So I saw literally they're in Uganda, they're also in Tanzania, there is Cameroon, Congo, Djibouti, Egypt, Ghana, Libya, Malawi, guys, Malawi's here as well, Nigeria. So it is in a lot of African countries. It's not just in Kenya. So if you're in any African country, download Shop and Ship and then search for your country. So what I've come to learn is different countries have different membership fee. So for us in Kenya, the membership fee was about 10 USD. I saw Tanzania is also 10 USD. I also saw, so a couple of African countries are 10 USD, but there are some countries that now the price slightly goes up. So definitely come and check on their website.
you've downloaded the app on Play Store or App Store, go to your Shop and Ship app. You will see the welcoming posts: join, shop globally, track your shipments, worry-free. Click sign up, put your country. I'm in Kenya, my name, Olive Nkirote, my email, preferred email for Shop and Ship, my phone number, and then your password. Next, you need to pay for the basic plan. This part of the screenshot, I'll talk about it later in the video, but this is how you pay. So you can pay either via your credit card or your PayPal. I preferred to pay with my PayPal, so I already had money there, so I just used PayPal. So depending on your country, if PayPal is not working or it's not panning out, go with credit card or debit card. That's it. It said thank you. Now step 3 is uploading your ID or user details. Basically, they want to know their customer. Scan your ID, upload both front and back, and click submit. Once you've submitted your ID details, you are now free to use Shop and Ship. That's pretty much it.
Another thing is, you're probably wondering, what are the countries I can ship from? So let's say you have products in other countries that you want them brought into Kenya. For example, they've listed about 34 or 35 or 33 countries that you can ship from. So you can actually ship from Thailand, South Korea, Japan, the US, UK, China, Dubai, United Arab Emirates, Turkey, India, Hong Kong, South Africa as well. So ideally, if you're in Kenya, all these 30 something, guys, I bet they're 30 something, okay, countries you can actually ship from your stuff. You want to import these beautiful kangas from Nigeria, they can help you acquire a Nigerian address, and then you can bring stuff from Nigeria. Let's say you want to acquire something from South Africa, you can also do that. What I like about Shop and Ship is the fact that there's so many countries that I can actually ship from, and before you'd have to wonder, okay, so how do I bring in things in from Spain, or how do I bring in things from Italy, or how do I bring in things from Singapore, or how do I bring things from Australia? Guys, there's actually a way, and the way is Shop and Ship. And yes, they have not sponsored this video, but yeah. You can go to the about section to understand this platform even more. How it works gives you a rundown of how the process is going to look like, and I've already explained to you guys. They give you addresses, you sign up to become a member. Different countries have different memberships. Then you're able to buy your goods, key in the address, and all you need to do honestly is just sit, and they're going to call you when your stuff is in Kenya, and they'll deliver it straight to your door. The S&S Protect, so they have 3 things. They have S&S Protect, S&S Select, and S&S Perfume. So in case you're wondering what S&S is, it's Shop and Ship, okay? So if you look at S&S Protect, it's basically if you want to pay an extra fee to protect your goods from maybe getting lost or getting damaged, and it depends on the value of the products you're shipping in. So maybe you're shipping in really high-end, high-quality stuff, and you would prefer to pay for the protection. They have highlighted everything here, how much it would be, and they've even given an example. For example, you're shipping an item that is $250 and you want to pay for S&S protection, you pay $2. So for every $100 they'll add an extra $1. Then there is S&S Select. So this is basically if you're trying to buy specific goods from the US, and I saw there's nail polish remover, hairspray, hair stuff, deo, and tanning spray, okay, and they ship these beauty products from the US to the following countries that they've mentioned. There is an extra $10 fee for those stuff. However, guys, I shipped in a perfume. It was really not like a glass perfume, it was more like a body spray perfume. I didn't even know about this, but they had said here the service cost is automatically added to your shipping charges for any of the items above. Feel free to read more about that. Then there is S&S Perfume. So you can see you can shop for perfumes from the US, UK, France, Italy, Germany, Spain, and they ship them to the countries that they've mentioned, okay? I don't know, guys, about the perfume. Honestly, I did ship in a body spray, and they did classify it as perfume. Was I charged an extra $10? I don't know. Maybe the unacceptable materials. So it would be good if you read about the unacceptable materials. I saw there's stuff like, I don't know, lubricant, there's stuff like, they're interesting stuff. So you can see items that cannot be shipped from the following origin. So for example, from the US, you cannot ship in electronic cigarette accessories, so I guess vapes or something. Go to the about section and just have a look at all those. I don't want to take too long because I feel like if you are shipping in, you would also take some time to read. So I've guided you on that, so please go there and like have a look. In March, I actually decided to import 2 items from Amazon. They were both liquid form, they're both personal items, and they came in pretty well. So I did record how I went to Amazon. I made the purchase using my People virtual MasterCard, and then I key in the address from Shop and Ship that is New York based, and then it calculated everything and it delivered my stuff in the New York warehouse, and then I waited for a few days, then I got it in Kenya. So I'm going to show you that process. If you're going to be buying from an online website in another country, you just need to copy and paste the address accurately on that platform. However, if you are probably not buying from an online platform, then you'd have to communicate to whoever that you're importing from that this is the address they should probably go and deliver to. Okay, but I'm going to actually open a playlist after this video that it's going to be based purely on online shipping and buying stuff online. So it's going to have the Alibaba videos, the Amazon videos, how I've shipped in, how you pay shipping agents, different kinds of shipping agents, and Shop and Ship video, and the People video will be also linked in that playlist. So feel free to check that playlist because there are different ways you can ship in things, guys. There are really many different ways. It's not just one. You find one that suits you maybe financially, but there are very many ways you can bring things into the country. So anyway, yeah, so I purchased these 2 items, and let me show you guys how that went. Go to your My Addresses and then go to the US address. As you guys can see on the screen, that was my US address, and I'll proceed to copy and paste each and every section on Amazon. Sure to copy paste everything correctly, your phone number, your name, the address, the city, the state, and all that jazz. Shift my previous address and now put my new address so that it could be delivered there, and that's what I was actually doing. I was changing the addresses and then I saved. And then if you're going to buy on Amazon, remember to always confirm if you have chosen free shipping. So if you can see, my price has gone down from $41 to $29, and that's it. My order was placed. So now I went back to my Shop and Ship app just to confirm my address, now my personal address, because I know they will come to the address that you put on the app. So ensure to put your primary address correctly. I got the notification to pay. So when I key in the address in my Amazon account, I already paid for the stuff on Amazon, right? Then I had to pay now to bring them in, and I got a notification on my Shop and Ship. So you'll see the place, it'll tell you packages, so it's going to pop up on your screen. And then I was charged different, I think, based also on the weight. So the weight will really highly determine how much you're going to be paying for your goods. And in case you'd like to just know that in advance, they have a rate calculator on their app where you can put where you're shipping from, where you're shipping to, and the weight of your package, either in kg or in pounds. And something like Amazon, they always tell you the weight even before, so you can definitely check that prior so that you can foresee the price that you're about to pay. Or you can just wait and see and then be asked to pay. Either or, guys, either or. So I brought in my stuff, I paid using PayPal, immediately turned to paid. So once I finished paying, I just waited. And I remember there's a random day I was just chilling and then I got a call and it was, hello, am I speaking to Olive? Yes. He actually came with my box. It had my spray and I love it. It's very seamless. However, I kind of think it's slightly expensive. I kind of do feel it's slightly expensive, mostly because they don't really consolidate orders, you know, like they just, you know, one item. So if you're buying many one items, it might be expensive as compared to how I've shipped my things before. I could easily just, they get to the warehouse and I communicate to the shipping agent to consolidate everything, and it's significantly cheaper that way because it's like one big package. But if you're buying one, I think it is actually expensive in my opinion. So it's really easy and seamless, but I also still think it's expensive. My reviews, very easy and seamless, I will not lie. You just need to sit and relax and you will get a call, like they say, and your goods will be here. Another thing I noticed, it's slightly expensive also because I've shipped with my favorite shipping company, Something Random. I have a video about them. They ship this, especially if you ship from the US. So I don't know about these other countries, Nigeria, South Africa. I'm talking about the US particularly. I ship with Something Random and they dispatch their goods from Delaware. Okay, so when you dispatch your goods from Delaware, you don't get charged tax. But because Shop and Ship discharged from New York, there was tax. So again, you see, those are the small things now I'm saying. And then also for my shipping company, they consolidate all my orders again. So I was just like, it's likely just on the like expensive side, especially if you bring in a lot of things. Like I prefer to do when I buy from the US. I'm just like, every item is just taxed. Every item is, you know. So yeah. Also, I think I also like Shop and Ship because they're everywhere. So again, like I told you guys, I mostly ship from China. I mostly ship from the US and the UK. I already have shipping agents I work with, perfect. I don't feel like changing them. However, the next time I'll be using Shop and Ship is maybe if I actually do want to try other countries, like the countries they've listed there, Korea, Australia. My shipping agents are not that diverse. Maybe I will consider Shop and Ship mainly because of that. They are really diverse. They're really in many areas. So I might just consider them for that. But for my go-to areas, I already have people. So yeah. But regardless, it's a really good platform and I really wish I had an affiliate code to share with you guys. Unfortunately, I don't. But if you do download the app and if you do give it a shot and if you learned a lot from this video, guys, to do just to show me that you appreciate is to give this video a like, give this video a thumbs up, guys. Comment down below that Olive, thank you so much for this video. It's helped me wherever I am in Africa to be able to ship in my country. That would really make me happy, guys. Okay, and if you also just feel like you'd like to give back to the channel, feel free to donate to us via PayPal, via crypto, or even on our Safaricom ONR number. It is linked down below. Thank you guys for helping us reach 18,000 subscribers. I'm really grateful. Road to 20,000. And again, if you've not subscribed, just check, guys. You might have not subscribed. Keep it ONR always. And well, guys, bye. See you on the next one. I love you guys. Peace.